Hello friends. Well, today I have brought very interesting and important topic for all my viewers who are eager to start their journey on YouTube. I will explain you in very simple and effective manner on how to get 1000 subscribers in less than 10 days. However, to make an impression on YouTube is not an easy cup of tea. There are many things to be done, and at the same time there are many things not to be done during the early stages at the YouTube. In this video, you will learn key important parameters to make your channel very popular. Well, it is possible. If I can, so you can. So let's begin. Do you know, it is not a rosy picture as it seems. Many YouTubers who are early in their stages commit mistakes which they should have avoided. This is the reason they never get the viewers' attraction and thereby they get demotivated. We should understand the reason behind this, why YouTubers fail and why they don't get success. So now let us understand why people fail or why they don't make a good impression on YouTube. First and the foremost reason is less number of viewers. If your video is having low views, YouTube will never promote your video as such with low popularity and low viewers. Do you know, thousands of people post videos day and night and only few gets attracted which are having more viewers. Second reason is your video will not show in the search box until and unless it is popular. So popularity is very important for any video to get promoted. So now imagine how on earth any new viewer will come to know that whether you have posted any video or not. Only your subscribed members will know. Otherwise, any new viewers will never come to know whether you have uploaded any new video or not. So just give it a thought and remember to work on it. Last but not the least, it is a recommendation of the video. YouTube will not recommend your video and it will not come at the top until and unless it has a sufficient viewers. You must have observed, whenever you search something, first video that pops up at the top is the one which is having the maximum number of views. Then, as a beginner, it will be a hard rock to climb with less number of views. So these becomes a roadblock for any new publishing of the video or any new YouTuber because they fail to understand what are the reasons for their failure. So these are the key things that you need to understand and then work on it. I will tell you how you can overcome these obstacles and increase your popularity. So now we will tell you what are the things that you need to do as a YouTuber, what are the important points that you need to keep in the mind. First and the foremost is stay hopeful. There would be the days when you will see that your videos have not attracted any views, neither you have attained any subscribers. But at the same time, if you want to overcome this, you have to stay hopeful. After every dark night, there is a sunshine. Remember that, and then only you will succeed, and you will have a ray of hope in your mind, and you will be motivated to publish videos day and night with the good content. Second is the quality of the video. Remember to post videos which is having good content and good quality. People who is watching your video, they should remember, they should learn from your videos that okay, they have seen your video and they have learned something new today. If they will not get this feeling, they will never ever come back to your channel, neither they will watch any video what you have posted new. They will only watch once you have put a continuous effort in order to deliver quality content, and this get diluted with time. So remember to post always good quality content. If you don't have any content, don't post it, but remember this is important parameter, you should never falter over there. Third thing is regular posting. You should be regular and disciplined with your working. When you have started your channel, you should feed in with the information. People who have subscribed your channel, they are watching on you so that you can tell them how you can guide them, how you can teach them, how you can empower them with the knowledge. So it's very important that you are regular with your work. If you are irregular, they will not come and watch your videos again, or they will shift to another YouTuber who is regular with his content as well at the same time with the quality. So these are imperative 3 points that you need to ensure that you are following. Now I will tell you what are the basic hygiene that you need to maintain while publishing a video. First and the foremost thing is the thumbnail. You have to make an effective thumbnail. Many people would be saying that post an attractive thumbnail. No, I would say it should be an effective thumbnail. People should be able to understand what you want to explain in the video. If they will see the thumbnail is directly representing what the video that you have published, they will go and watch it and they will trust you as a publisher of the video. Otherwise, you will lose trust in coming time. So there are many YouTubers who are faking with the this thumbnails, and people are watching it and they don't see the content, and thereby they start disliking and they lose the trust on that particular person. So you need to ensure that you are putting effective thumbnail in order to attract viewers for the long term. Second important thing, your video should be searchable. Don't put any special characters as such. Video should be searchable easily. You should put simple and effective English. Don't put too complicated words or complicated grammar. People who are searching videos, they will put very simple English. They will not put very difficult or complex words. So then only you will be able to identify the video, and at the same time YouTube will help you to promote your video because your video is coming in the search content very easily. Last but not the least is to link your previous videos. Whenever you have put a new video, you should ensure that you are putting your previous videos link also in order to maintain the continuity. People will see, if they have liked your video, they will also would be tempted to see the new videos also. So you will get more chances to get more subscribers, more viewers and more likes also in your video. So in this way you will have more popularity. People will it will bring a proper chain to your video content, and at the same time the attraction towards video will increase comprehensively. Friends, I hope you have learned a lot today. What are the key reasons of failure and things to be avoided? I hope you will follow important tips which I've shared with you to become a successful YouTuber. I wish you good luck for your future, and don't hesitate to write to me if in case you face any challenges. I will help and support you to the fullest. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.